If you don't have your customers, you don't have anything. If you talk to our CEO, he will say that is the #1 reason we are doing this transformation. Taylor is making a huge investment right now in technology. As they acquired all of these printing companies throughout the years, they just let them continue on with whatever systems that they had. 85 ERP systems, 40 billing systems, 29 purchasing systems. We have a lot of warehouses across the United States. We have customers in probably 50 different systems. And so it's really hard to have that one view of the customer. We don't even have common language right now within our own companies. That's why we went with Oracle. We get to come in and really reshape how Taylor overall is going to operate as a company, moving them all to Oracle's cloud platform. It really comes down to data. We have to get all of the data in one place. That's what people use to make decisions on everything. So it is going to really help us look at our business very differently and really going to help us streamline and simplify and talk to each other a lot more. This will give us the opportunity to have financial transactions automatically happen because of the financial backbone that we're putting in today's marketplace. We have to have information. We need immediate results. We want to see things right away. And I think that's the ultimate goal for our customers is how do we get that done quicker for them? We're moving forward and it's not a choice. We need this to help us grow.